Hi, today we solve problems like Singaporean kids. We have two different questions. First one, Jacob has 50% more cards than Jan. If Jacob has 12 more cards than Jan, how many total cards are there? Okay, since Jacob has 50% more cards, we can start by representing Jan's cards by a rectangle. Okay, for Jacob, we can also draw a rectangle with 50% more in length. Okay, this is equivalent first to Jan's number of cards, but we need to extend this one by 50% of Jan's cards, which is half of Jan's cards. So we extend by this much. Okay. So if this is the same amount with the Jan's cards, so we can also divide this one into two parts, which represents 50% each. Okay, in the second statement, we have Jan has 12 more cards. Jacob has 12 more cards. So that means this part is actually 12 cards, right? So as you can see in our drawing, we have 5 parts with 12 cards each. This one is 12, 12, 12, 12. That means the number of cards will be just 12 times 5, which give us 60. And that's it for this question. We have 60 total cards by finding how many parts are there. Number 2. Peter's number of apples is 5 more than twice Mike's has. If the total number of apples is 50, how many apples Peter has? In this one, since Mike's is being described here, we can start by representing Mike's apple by another rectangle. Okay, for Peter, since Peter has twice first, so we double Mike's rectangle first. So this length is equivalent to twice as Mike's. Since we have 5 more, we need to extend Peter by small rectangle. So this part is representing the 5 apples. Okay. So in the second statement, we have 50 total apples. So the sum of all these parts are 50. Now, as you can see, we have three parts. So this is the first part, second part, and third part. Now we have extra 5 here, and if you add all these parts, if you add the 3 bigger parts, we have 3 parts. This must be equivalent to 50, but we need to remove the extra 5, right? So the sum of the 3 bigger parts is 50 minus 5. We remove the 5 apples. We remove the 5 apples that represents Peter. Now we have 3 parts equivalent to 50 minus 5, which is 45. So that means one part is actually 45 divided 3, which is 15. Okay, so Mike's actually has 15 apples, right? So that's equivalent to one part. So for Peter, there are 2 parts, that's 15 each. Now, in the question, we are asked for Peter. So that means for Peter, we just need to add 15 plus 15 and 5, which give us 35. And that's it for this question. Peter has 35 apples by calculating the number of apples in each part. That's it.